Kymanox presents an example of audio-visual knowledge transfer, producing quality homemade popcorn. Equipment and materials: an electric or gas range, a pot with lid, 2 spoons, 2 cups, a knife and a bowl, butter, salt, oil, and popcorn kernels. Only use fresh, plump kernels. Avoid comparatively small ones. And lastly, a brown paper bag. Once procured, lay out all items in an organized fashion. Preparation: measuring the kernels. In the unheated pot, pour out enough kernels to cover the entire bottom in a single layer. Shown here is a single layer of kernels. Pour out the kernels into a graduated measuring cup and note the volume. A 4-inch radius pot yields approximately 1/2 cup of kernels. Preparation: measuring the oil. Move the kernels to the designated holding cup. Oil volume is equal to kernel volume. Pour your corn, canola, or safflower oil to the target measurement. Preparation: fold the paper bag. Ensure the popcorn can be easily transferred to the bag. It should be stable and have the edges folded inward. Production: preheating the oil. Turn on the closest burner to high. For electric ranges, preheat the electric burner until it glows red. Place the pot on the stove and wait 30 counts. Add the measured oil to the preheated pot. Next, add 3 test kernels. These kernels are used as indicators. The first kernel pop indicates the oil is ready and has reached the proper temperature. Production: popping kernels. Quickly add the measured kernels to the pot and return the cover. Gently move the pot to mix. The goal is to quickly and evenly heat all the kernels. Continue to move the pot and keep the lid closed for the first 10 to 20 pops. As the popping rate increases, begin to open the lid, allowing steam to escape. Continue to move the pot and lift its lid as the popping rate intensifies. After popping rate decline, remove from heat and transfer to the bag. Note: kernels will continue to pop after removal from the range. Shake bag to facilitate cooling. It is important to allow the popcorn to cool without condensation. Seasoning: real butter. Use 2 tablespoons of butter for each 1/2 cup of unpopped kernels used. Turn off the range and cut the butter. Melt butter in the pot on a cold burner. The retained heat in the pot will quickly melt the butter. After it is melted, drizzle the butter over the popcorn and then shake the bag. This is done using a tablespoon, carefully coating, not drenching the popcorn. Be sure to shake the bag 3 times after each drizzle. Repeat until pot is nearly empty. Add the last butter to the popcorn directly from the pot and shake the bag. Be sure to recover all the butter. Pour back a portion of the popcorn into the pot. Stir gently and return the popcorn to the paper bag and mix with shaking. Seasoning: salt. Use 4 pinches of salt for each 1/2 cup of unpopped kernels used. Pour salt into hand and then add salt in 2-pinch intervals followed by 3 bag shakes. Carefully add the salt. Distribute it over a wide area. Consumption: pour the cooled and seasoned popcorn in an attractive serving bowl. Discard the bag. Enjoy quality, homemade popcorn every time.
For more information, send email to info@kymanox.com or visit www.kymanox.com. Thank you. This has been a Kymanox production. Copyright 2005 Kymanox. All rights reserved.